Software Imaging is excited to present Rossum. Rossum is a flexible tool to allow setup, simulation and running of an assembly line with robots. Using Rossum, we can streamline the order-to-delivery process. Rossum provides an easy-to-use wizard that guides the user through the entire process. Rossum's order converter transforms orders from a data source to a format the simulator requires. Rossum's configuration editor gives you the power and flexibility to configure your assembly line. With the assembly line configured, Rossum's simulator generates the commands and shows how those commands will play in real time. Now that we have the instructions for the robots, Rossum's PLC interface sends generated commands to the robots and monitors their progress. That was a brief overview of Rossum. We will now explore Rossum in more detail. Orders are one of the main driving factors of Rossum. Rossum's order converter makes the process of gathering your data from multiple sources simple. If route information is provided with the input data, Rossum can optimize the delivery route and speed up the process. Rossum's configuration editor gives you full control over robot arm positions, number of robots, products assigned to robots. Rossum allows you to build your assembly line by configuring the robot positions, number of robots and products assigned to robots. In this example, it has the effect of increasing the processing time. Robot speeds. Rossum lets you configure how fast the robots are. This allows Rossum's simulation to display accurate processing times. Speed between sections. Rossum lets you configure how fast the trays move along different parts of the assembly line. Tray dimensions. Rossum can support any tray size and can pack products into the trays efficiently. Where trays join the line. Rossum allows full trays to be pushed onto the assembly line at any point. Rossum's simulator has three key functions: generate instructions for robots, provide accurate estimation to process the complete order, reduce costs by minimizing the number of trays required to fulfill the orders. Rossum is not restricted to just generating instructions for robots. Instructions are generated for other factory components, like conveyors for full factory automation. Rossum's PLC interface is responsible for monitoring status and delivering instructions. It provides a flexible interface to communicate with any PLC controller. Rossum is built with a flexible and scalable architecture. Future enhancements include optimized product-to-robot assignment to save time on the packing process. Supports multiple and more complex assembly lines. Create your factory floor with an easy-to-use tool which will be used to drive Rossum. Allow efficient product stacking. That was the detailed view of Rossum. In summary, easy flow from start to finish. Supports multiple size products. Flexible configuration options. Minimizes the number of trays used to reduce costs. Optimizes the delivery route, accurate time estimation for processing orders, generates customized commands for any PLC-driven machine, customized software tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in Rossum, please contact us.